Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome to the channel where we learn to grow our wealth slow and steady. In today's video, I want to talk about how you can make money with stocks that you'll actually own. How many of us want to make money without doing anything? We work hard for our money, and we want our money to work hard for us. But when it comes to investing, we have been conditioned to believe that investing is complicated, risky, and just not for us. So we keep our money in a savings account, earning 0% interest, while inflation erodes its value every single year. The truth is, owning stocks is one of the best ways to build wealth over time. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Let's get into it. You might be thinking, okay, I get it, but how do I pick the right stocks to own? Don't worry, I got you. There are three main types of stocks: growth stocks, value stocks, and dividend stocks. Growth stocks are companies that are expected to grow faster than the overall market. Value stocks are companies that are trading at a lower price relative to their book value or intrinsic value. Dividend stocks are companies that pay a dividend, which is a portion of the company's profits that is paid out to shareholders. As a beginner, it is important to start with companies that you are familiar with and understand. Do you use any particular products or services regularly? Do you have a favorite restaurant or store? These are the types of companies that you want to research further to see if they are a good investment. Look for companies with a history of profitability, strong management, and a competitive advantage in the market. Once you have done your research and found a few stocks that you like, it is time to decide how much to invest in each one. A good rule of thumb is to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of stocks across different sectors. This will help you to reduce your risk and maximize your returns. Now let me tell you a story about a man named John. John was a hard-working individual who had always dreamed of financial freedom. He had a decent job and was able to save a portion of his income every month. However, he was tired of living paycheck to paycheck and wanted to find a way to grow his wealth. One day, John discovered the world of stock investing and was intrigued by the potential to earn passive income. However, he was also hesitant, as he had heard stories of people losing money in the stock market. After doing some research, John decided to take the plunge and invest in a few stocks that he liked. At first, John was patient and saw his investment grow steadily over time. However, as the years went on, he became impatient and wanted to see faster results. He started to buy and sell stocks frequently, hoping to get rich quick. Unfortunately, this led to him losing a significant portion of his investment. Determined to make a comeback, John started to educate himself about the stock market and learned the importance of long-term investing. He began investing in a diverse range of stocks and held on to them for many years. As John continued to invest and hold on to his stocks, he saw his portfolio grow steadily over time. He was patient and disciplined, and his long-term strategy paid off. Eventually, John was able to retire comfortably thanks to his investment in stocks. Throughout John's journey, he learned some valuable lessons about the stock market. Firstly, he realized that investing is a long-term game and that patience is key to success. Trying to get rich quick through frequent buying and selling can lead to big losses. Secondly, John learned the importance of diversifying his portfolio to reduce risk and maximize returns. By investing in a variety of stocks across different sectors, he was able to weather any market fluctuations and still see steady growth over time. Finally, John understood that investing is not just about making money, but also about financial freedom. Through his investment, he was able to retire comfortably and live life on his own terms. So there you have it, folks. Owning stocks can be a great way to make money and build wealth over time. It's important to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and have a long-term mindset when investing. With that said, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below and check out my other videos for more tips on personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.